In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page with Card. Whether you're looking to promote a product, collect email signups, or simply create a simple and elegant web presence, Card makes it incredibly easy, even if you don't have any previous web design experience. Let's walk through the process step by step, so you can have your own landing page up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to the Card website. You can visit card.co by typing it into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually displayed prominently in the middle of the page. Click on that button to either log in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't signed up yet. Setting up an account is quick, and all you need is a valid email address. After logging in, you'll find yourself at your dashboard. From here, click on the option that says New Site. This is where the fun begins, as you're about to start building your landing page from scratch or using one of Card's customizable templates. On the next screen, you'll see several categories for different types of websites. For today's purpose, click on Landing. This category is dedicated to single-page sites that act as perfect landing pages for announcements, personal projects, or business offerings. Once you've selected the landing category, you'll be presented with a range of beautiful templates. Spend a moment scrolling through these options. Choosing the right template provides a solid foundation and can save you a great deal of time later on. Look for a layout that matches your needs, something clean and visually appealing. Click on the template you like best to open it up in the editor. Now it's time to make the landing page your own. Click directly on any text area to edit it. This is where you'll add your main message, details about your offering, or whatever information you want visitors to see first. Don't forget you can also customize buttons, adjust colors, and play with different shapes. These features allow your landing page to really reflect your personal style or brand. Take your time to experiment and make changes, knowing that you can preview your edits at any point. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click on the Done button. This will exit the editing mode and take you back to your site overview. To share your landing page with the world, click on Publish. A pop-up will appear, asking for a page name, a brief description, and your desired domain. The domain is what people will type in to reach your site, so pick something short, unique, and memorable. Card will immediately check if your chosen domain name is available. Make sure it says Available before you proceed. With your domain confirmed, go ahead and click on Publish Changes. That's it, your landing page is now live. Simply share the link with others and start driving traffic to your new page. Building a landing page with Card is as straightforward as that. With its user-friendly interface and stylish templates, you can create a professional-looking landing page in no time, no coding required. Give it a try and see just how easy and fun it can be.